Okay, here we go now. Get low like an animal. Grab a tree, yeah. You might not need that stick. Leave the stick. We'll come back and get it. Use both of you. All right, leave the stick. You want it?
I don't need
Aaliyah, go help your sister. Never mind. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Quit acting scary. You ain't I'm gonna let you fall or something. Hold on.
Thank you.
Be brave. Get low. Remember I said get low? Yeah. I do this stuff so much I can do it with no hands.
Janelle, you cold? You need my jacket?
Mm.
Are you hot in there? Yes.
Just put it up on something. Hang it up on the tree.
Oh.
You remember I told you everything out here is... Ooh.
I'm gonna let Janelle wear my jacket to me.
Okay, she's cold?
Yep.
Okay, that's what's up.
Wow.
Look. Yeah.
Ollie, what's in your pocket? My pistol.
What we out here doing, girls? Tell my supporters what we out here doing.
So we're fighting a lot of crystals.
What's your name?
Mine?
What's your name?
Janelle.
Janelle. What's your name over there, girl?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah. We out here doing our crystal hounding. See if we can find some jaspers.
Jasper goes. Well, pretty. I'm gonna call the Johnson Lisa Dad Jasper.
You want Mr. Zulu or not?
He's getting wet.
He's a tree. You know, he's waterproof. Yeah, peace with the hair grease, but we're out here vibing. The water's really pushed back because we normally be on the land out here. But it's very important to become in tune with the nature and the kids, children, and just together and be at peace. And teach them the way as you go along to survive out here because this is the natural way. And the way that we come from is the way we'll go back to. Get back. You know how you do is at the water. One day I had to go. She got so close. What happened? What happened when you got close to the water, Janelle?
I fell.
I came and got you, didn't I?
Yep. Oh, you floated away.
Y'all know I always got y'all back, right? For
And
sure.
Mr. Zula always with you, so
Yep.
you can save people.
Yeah, exactly. We be saving people. Oh, they got bands on it too. That's like an agate.
I'm gonna take off my shoes. When we get home, it's safe. I'm gonna wash my feet.
Yeah, but it's kind of like glass around here. And it's glass. You hear me? You remember I was showing y'all the glass. Like really, y'all supposed to have like some boots on, kind of. But if you was gonna sit down, you could take them off and just sit down and feel the sand between your feet, like over there. Yeah, and go chill. I'm gonna make you a seat.
Okay. Sorry,
Come, get. For real?
Yeah.
Well, you all right? You know you tough. Y'all be tough out here. Sometimes the trees will hit you if you don't respect them, huh?
Last time, over here is about to be a beach. People
Right.
about to take these trees down, then it's gonna be a beach.
Exactly. See the sand and stuff?
Yeah, it's about to be a beach.
It's just all the water and stuff that got it all pushed back. But yeah, you see, we use our imagination over here too.
I got Mr. Zulu. I got you. Booty back.
So we just vibing.
You have fish in this water?
Yeah, this is where we got our turtle from.
No, the big fish.
Yes, the turtle I gave y'all. Yeah. That's why I said. That's why I said we might. That's why I said we might see another turtle.
Covered up our
I know all this is supposed to be the ground, but the water's pushed back so far.
Jamie, I think I
Huh.
see a fish in here.
You put-
Oh, the fish is all the way.
It is fish in here, but yeah, but you never know. Like they all through here. You just gotta use what I say. What I be telling you, use your inner eyes. You gotta use your spiritual eyes. So let's get before we. But yeah, we just vibing and this is what we on.
I'm gonna my shoe.
Don't get in wet, girl. Just out here vibing with my loved ones. Peace.